Hello. So here we are, day number 6 of the Advent Tags 2022 for Tracie Fox Creative. So today's tag is the tutorial is done by Chantel of Red Page Cafe, and I'll link to her video on how she created it below. It wasn't exactly the same as mine, but very similar. I followed along. So let's see what we've got. We've got at the top, we have ribbon and this star, which I added some Nuvo Crystal drops in black. And what else did I do? Oh, some glossy accents around the side. I don't know if you can see that. Then I put some crystal dots on the tree, like little baubles in clear, and added some little snowflake sequins and gems. The herald label with glossy accents, and then I went round the tag, and I'm loving excuse me, I'm loving the hand stitching from the other day. So I did that again, and I did to there in red and then green at the other side. Then on the back I just put a little bit of the wax paper plaid pattern, and that was it. So that was day 6, very enjoyable, another great tutorial. They're all fantastic, very creative ladies. I'm so glad to have found all these. So that's day 6. Hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, bye.